Hey everyone, this is Business and Beyond, and today we'll be discussing the top 10 business skills every entrepreneur should have. Starting a business can be a daunting task, and it takes more than just a good idea to succeed. It requires a range of skills and abilities that allow you to navigate the complex world of entrepreneurship. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 business skills every entrepreneur should have. The first skill is communication. As an entrepreneur, it's essential to have strong communication skills. You need to be able to communicate your vision, mission, and values clearly to your team, investors, and customers. Effective communication is critical for building strong relationships with your customers, and it's essential for managing your team effectively. Second is sales skills. As an entrepreneur, you need to be able to sell your product or service effectively. This means being able to identify potential customers, understand their needs, and communicate the value of your product or service. It's essential to be able to close deals and generate revenue to keep your business growing. Third is financial management skills. As a business owner, you need to have a strong understanding of financial management. You need to be able to manage your cash flow, budget effectively, and make informed financial decisions. Without proper financial management, your business may struggle to stay afloat. Fourth, marketing skills. In today's world, marketing is more critical than ever before. You need to be able to market your product or service effectively to stand out in a crowded marketplace. This means understanding your target audience, developing a strong brand, and utilizing different marketing channels to reach your customers. Fifth, problem-solving skills. As an entrepreneur, you will face numerous challenges along the way. You need to have strong problem-solving skills to overcome these challenges effectively. You need to be able to think critically and develop creative solutions to overcome obstacles and keep your business moving forward. Sixth, leadership skills. As a business owner, you need to be able to lead your team effectively. This means setting a vision, inspiring your team, and providing guidance and support along the way. It's essential to be able to motivate your team to work towards a common goal and create a positive work culture. The seventh skill is time management. Time management is critical for entrepreneurs who are often juggling multiple tasks at once. You need to be able to prioritize your tasks effectively and manage your time efficiently to stay on top of everything. Without good time management, you may find yourself struggling to keep up with the demands of your business. Eighth is networking skills. As an entrepreneur, you need to be able to build strong relationships with other business owners, investors, and industry professionals. Networking is critical for expanding your business's reach, finding new opportunities, and staying up to date with industry trends. Ninth, adaptability. The business world is constantly evolving, and as an entrepreneur, you need to be able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. You need to be able to pivot your business model, change your marketing strategy, and adjust to new market conditions. Without adaptability, your business may struggle to stay relevant and competitive. Now the 10th skill, perseverance. Starting a business is not easy, and you will face numerous setbacks along the way. You need to have the perseverance to push through these challenges and keep moving forward. You need to be able to stay focused on your goals and keep working hard, even when things get tough. In conclusion, the top 10 business skills every entrepreneur should have are communication skills, sales skills, financial management skills, marketing skills, problem-solving skills, leadership skills, time management skills, networking skills, adaptability, and perseverance. By developing these skills, you'll be well on your way to building and maintaining a successful business. Remember, starting a business is a journey, and it takes time, dedication, and hard work. But with the right skills and mindset, you can overcome the challenges and build a thriving business. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.